And guess who we have here? Eh, What's your name? What's your name? Are you shy? Alright, Jasmine. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. It looks different than the stock original one. Alright, we're back. We're gonna install the lip kit now. I got it up on the hood here. Jack the front a little bit so I have room. So I got the hardware for mounting. I got 2 bolts and a self-tapping screw. Same thing on the other side over there. So I picked this up from the hardware store. Really heavy duty. Fits nice. 2 right there. And then the self-tapping screw is the one on the back end. Goes right there. And then the nut, or on the bottom passenger side, this is the J nut attached to the bottom bumper. Same thing right there. And on the other side as well. This is what it looked like on the other side. Right there. I'm gonna put a double-sided tape on the top edge of this piece. Right down here. This is just a little skinny one. You don't want to get too fat. Kind of overkill it if you're gonna get fat double-sided tape. This is okay. I'm gonna go around all the way to the other side and then we'll stick it on. Really nice. Make sure cut this in an angle. So all in one piece. You just notice that there's nothing cut on that double-sided tape, so that when I install this piece, I could just pull that red backing tape off, and it's easy for me to pull everything off. Yeah, turned out good. Everything's good. Make sure I clean the edge of this piece right here before you put it in. Yeah, make sure this side is fit it on the front. Make sure it's tight before you bolt everything down on the back. Okay, I cleaned the bumper already, so it's dust free. So that's lined up. We're gonna double check the bolt holes on each side. Alright, this is on the driver's side. Here's the lip right there. Bolt hole. Looks good. Line up. Line up. Let's go to the passenger. Alright, passenger side. You can tell it's underneath. We have to adjust that. And this side, my J nut's up on the front, but the bracket on the lip kit is on the back, so we're gonna have to adjust that. Alright guys, so the hardware kit on the bottom, the 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on the other side are intact. It's not tight yet, it's just loose. Show you this part right here before I put the bolt in. So you see there's a hole on the lip kit. You have to line that up on the hole there's a marking on the bumper piece, and if I move it up, you'll see the marking right there. Okay, see that mark right there? That's what you're gonna have to put the bolt in there. So just making sure, make sure it's all lined up, because over time when you bolt everything in, it's not gonna sit properly. There's probably a gap on here or up in the front, so make sure you line the hole up and then put a self-tapping bolt in there. All right, on passenger side, make sure that bolt is intact. Don't tighten everything out yet. We're gonna have to do the tape first before we tighten up all the bolts. So make sure you peel the edge off on that side, and I did a couple on the front here because we'll do the front first. We'll peel off the tape. I got the bungee cord there so they will stay in place. Same thing on that side, and I'm gonna put one in the middle, just a foot long bungee cord, just like that, so that it won't sag down when I'm peeling off that tape. Okay, so let's put you guys in the tripod and let's peel off the tape. This is the best part of doing this, is peeling off the tape, and you know that you're almost done, and it's gonna look really nice. So it's nice and tight in here. There's no gap. Make sure on the front as well, and same thing on the other side. Make sure no gap. So we just use a little pick tool to peel off this tape. The main thing is there's no gap around here, man. That's good to me. Let's go on the other side. No gap right here, but it should be okay. When this is gonna be on the sun, it would readjust itself. There's probably a couple tensions on each of this rubber, so when it warm up, just warm up the plastic piece and it would adjust itself. And just keep the bungee cord in there so that it won't sag down. Just let it stay in place. And let's work on this side. There we go. Now we're gonna bolt everything down, tighten up, and everything is gonna look good. Hey guys, let's tighten everything down. It was just a snug tight before. Now we're gonna keep everything bolted. The two on this side, and then don't forget the one on the back end. Up on the top right here. And then the last piece is way over here. Yeah, we'll see. The gap will close in, hopefully. So over time, like I said, it would heat up this plastic piece for the sun, and it will, yes, snug fit. Alright, passenger side, two bolts are nice and tight in the bottom. We'll just do this small little bolts in the back. Oh, what are are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
I was making you.
You were like hiding? You're trying to scared Papa?
Yes.
Look, check it out. Look at the car. It looks good now. Yeah. Those are just a strap.
It's big now.
Yeah, you look at Papa. Sit down and go like this. Two hand. Yes. Good job. Yeah. It's done now. It's done. You're gonna have to let it sit for a bit. Sit the piece down so that it would stick right on there. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final product. And guess who we have here? What's your name? What's your name? Are you shy? Alright, Jasmine. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. It looks different than the stock original one. OE lip. Here's the front.
My brother's coming now.
Oh no. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.
Astro, no.